Hello! Welcome at Family Mart in Tokyo, Japan. Family Mart is a popular convenience store chain that was founded in Japan in 1973. Here are some key facts about Family Mart in Japan. Family Mart is one of the largest convenience store chains in Japan, with over 18,000 stores nationwide. The company is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, and is owned by Family Mart UNY Holdings, which is a subsidiary of Itochu Corporation. Family Mart stores in Japan sell a wide range of products, including food and drinks, daily necessities, household items, and services such as copying and faxing. The stores are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making them a popular destination for late-night snacks and emergency purchases. Family Mart is known for its Famima brand, which includes a range of ready-to-eat meals and snacks that are popular with customers. In addition to its stores in Japan, Family Mart also has a presence in other countries in Asia, including Taiwan, China, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Family Mart has introduced several innovative services in Japan, such as mobile payment systems and online ordering for in-store pickup. The company has also implemented environmental initiatives, such as installing solar panels on store rooftops and using LED lighting to reduce energy consumption. Family Mart is a popular destination for tourists in Japan, as the stores offer a range of unique and interesting products that are not available in other countries. Family Mart has a strong presence in Japan's rural areas, where it provides essential services and products to local communities.